Hi everyone, welcome to Chain IQ 101. So today we will discuss how to use MetaMask effectively with all the tools required. So yesterday in our previous video we discussed how to install MetaMask. So today we will be seeing what to do next. So this is our MetaMask wallet. Here we will have to type the password which we set. Once we log in to our MetaMask wallet, this is our public address. So if we want to view it in a big screen, we can just come here and click on expanded view. So this will open up in a big prompt. So today we will see our first topic, which is how to send funds from Binance to MetaMask. Here I'm making use of Binance, but you can make use of any other exchange as well. So first, once we come into our Binance exchange and once we log in, we will be taken to this prompt here, to this window. Here we'll have to go to assets and overview. If you have USDC or USDT, make sure you buy Ethereum on the trade spot. Here we'll be able to buy Ethereum and keep Ethereum ready because we'll be sending Ethereum to our MetaMask on the base chain. So we'll have to make sure here Ethereum mainnet, have to select base mainnet. And then we will copy our address. Once we come to assets spot, we'll be able to see all the balances here. And here on Ethereum, we can come to these three dots here and click on withdraw. So here coin will be Ethereum. Since the gas fee on base mainnet is also Ethereum, it is suggested to make use of Ethereum. So here we'll put in our wallet address, which we copy from here. So just make sure the few things are matching. So it is matching. So once it's matching, we can select base. Here we have to make sure the network, we select what network we have selected here. Okay, so once you click on withdraw, it will ask us to do a confirmation page will pop up and it will ask us to do a few verifications. And once this is done, okay, once the withdrawal is completed, we can now go to, we can make use of basescan. Here we can copy your address again, come and paste it here. And basescan is basically a base explorer. Here we can see 40 seconds ago, we have received our Ethereum, which I sent from Binance. So once it's seen here, it will be also visible here. So now let's create another account. So here we can come and click on add another account, Ethereum account. So we'll just leave it same name. So inside our MetaMask, now we have two accounts, account 1 and account 2. The second account is derived from the 12 words secret phrase, whatever we wrote down yesterday. So it is derived from that. So now if you want account 2 to receive, you have to copy this. Go back to account 1, click on send. Here we can paste the address. So it's automatically detected that account 2 has been selected. Here we'll send 0.1 Ethereum, 0.01 Ethereum. Oh, continue, and here it'll ask for a confirmation, and I'll just click on confirm. Okay, once it is confirmed successfully, we can go here and view the status and block explorer. This is our transaction page. Here we'll be able to see all the transaction ID from and to and how much Ethereum it has been sent. This is the gas fees we paid, which is almost zero. On base, the gas fees is very less. So if we had done the same thing on Ethereum, it would have costed $0.50 or something like that. So now let's send it back to the main account. We can try out some other activity. Send your main account, max it, and continue. Here we'll be able to see network fee is $0.0001 and speed is approximately 2 seconds. So just confirm. Here the send failed because there was not enough gas fee because we selected max. So we have to leave a little room for gas fee. So this much will be enough. So now we can continue and confirm. Pending and now it's confirmed. So now we can go back to account one. You can see it has come back here. Now we'll explore how to do cross-chain transfers. Like now we are on base mainnet. We'll see how to send funds to Optimism. So firstly, we'll add Optimism. So now Optimism is added. So you can see on Optimism, we don't have anything. Optimism Ethereum, 0. Everything is on base Ethereum. So we have Jumper and Relay. So we can use any one of these, but I'll show you how both of them work. So here we have to select base. Firstly, we'll connect our wallet. So once our wallet is connected, take a time to load and then we can see here our balance. Click base. Then here we can click on Optimism, Optimism Ethereum. So since on Optimism also Ethereum is only gas free, so it is a good thing that we're sending Ethereum Ether. So here I will send 0.01. So you can see if we are sending 16.22, approximately like 2 cents is going as fees. And here Jumper is using Relay itself for doing this swap. You can just review bridge, start bridging. We can confirm this and it'll take a while. Actually, there is an airdrop campaign happening for Jumper as well. The more transactions we do on Jumper, we'll be able to gain XP, which will help us be eligible for their upcoming airdrop. So it is successfully transferred. Now we can go and this is basescan. So Optimism, we can use OPScan. This one. Here we can copy our address, paste it. And you can see 34 seconds ago, a transfer has happened, 0.1 almost, $16 worth. So that is how we do cross-chain. Same thing can be done on Relay. We'll do the opposite here. We'll select Optimism, Ethereum to base Ethereum. So then we'll connect our wallet. Okay, so here we can see it is way lower than Jumper, the gas fee. You can click on swap and just confirm. So doing swaps on Relay also helps us like accumulate some transactions, and if they decide to do an airdrop, we might be eligible. So this is done. So everything is back to base now. Check that again on our MetaMask. Everything is in base. So that is how we do cross-chain transfers using Relay or Jumper. There are many others as well, but these two haven't yet dropped their token yet. So it makes us eligible for the airdrop. And one more thing, if we are buying any other token inside base, like for example, we can go for a swap called Sushi Swap. Here we can connect our wallet. So we'll convert some Ethereum to USDC. Here in chain, we have to select base because all our balance is on base. So here, Ethereum to USDC. So once we click on swap to USDC, confirm. So swap is successful and we have received $16. So we'll be able to see that here as well. Swap has happened. And here in token holdings, we can see USDC. So in our MetaMask, here it's already showing, but sometimes the token doesn't appear here. That time we can come here and click on the token. Copy the token's contract address, which is here, copy, and then I can come here and on this three dots, import token. So this token is already imported. It is inbuilt into MetaMask, but some tokens might not be. So we have to copy the contract address like this and then import it here. Then you can see the tokens here. And this is how you can buy different tokens inside base chain, Optimism. The same thing works for Optimism also. And in case you don't have an exchange account, like Binance, KuCoin, or any other account, I have put up the exchange links that in the description. You can use those links for registering yourself into these exchanges. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.